Today is Sunday, December 11th, 2016. This is a vigil for Mr. Lawrence Alexander, a man that died, a homeless man that died. You go to the Baltimore Brew and read that. I asked Gov.Hogan and I asked Kenny Ibram to come visit this today before they gave out their Christmas gifts, but they declined on the offer. So I went to see Larry Hogan today. I went to see Gov.Hogan today. I was at Gov.Hogan's Christmas party with Kathleen Pugh. I was at his Christmas party. And these was my Christmas pictures. I was there with him. But I didn't go there for photo ops. I didn't go there for photo ops for Christmas. I went there with an agenda. You gave me an award for being a community innovator, all right? My community activism. My activism was about the prison industry. And y'all locked me up for making a movie and a documentary about Governor O'Malley. I want Governor Hogan to investigate this case, to give me access to the grand jury, to testify in front of a grand jury for criminal charges against Governor O'Malley, Scott Shellenberger, Chief Johnson, Greg Bernstein. I'm asking my governor, Larry Hogan, Lieutenant Governor, to contact President Obama, get my mail and my material about my federal complaint, go to the Comptroller's office and the Attorney General's office and get the material from them. Go to the Comptroller's office. It's about my property, my right to property. And like I said, I want criminal charges filed against Scott Shellenberger for money laundering, fraud, embezzlement, malice prosecution, retaliatory prosecution. And you can get my case and my information from right here. It's an email. Get the email from Commissioner Davis. See the date? Been holding it for a long time. That's what I want for Christmas. I want this fully investigated. The Democratic Party of Maryland. Y'all been shielding corruption in the state far too long, and I want you to investigate these cases, and I want you to give this information to Governor Larry Hogan and Kathleen Pugh so y'all can address this. We want you to investigate corruption. If you want to sit here and hold us accountable, then you need to clean office. You need to clean the Democratic office and the corruption in y'all's parties. You need to start in the courts, and you need to start with Shellenberger. So that's my message to Governor Hogan. That's what I want for Christmas. I want my property back on Fall Road. I want a federal audit on Jake's Grill. I want a federal audit on Shorty's Underground Ribs from 1997 to 2007. And I want an audit on Jake's Grill from 2008 to present. I want to show how money was sent to Bank of America, SunTrust Bank, Brother Insurance, and I'm going to show how Paul Weinblatt helped orchestrate all of this. Paul Weinblatt of Weinblatt and Associates permitted all of this. I'm a businessman. I got sole proprietorship. Jake didn't have a business. I was in jail. They call that vulnerable individual law. When a person takes advantage of a person when they're in no condition to take care of themselves. Those checks that were signed by somebody that wasn't me, because I was locked up in another state. And Scott Shellenberger refused to do anything about it. Scott Shellenberger also had me charged with the murder of Scott Greenberg, the store owner on Ricestown Road that owned the snowball stand. He also charged me with 5 other felonies. So these are 3 different occasions that this individual has charged me with crimes. He needs to be disbarred and charged like you did Nafong in the Duke Lacrosse case. Scott Shellenberger needs to be disbarred. If you charge Scott Shellenberger, he's going to be the weakest link, and he's going to snitch on the rest of the people that are financing Governor O'Malley's dirty money. I went to jail for a reason, to expose it. Now I want what you owe me. I want what the court ordered. It's a body attachment. Attach the body.